How to buy asset frog token. Now before we start, this token came under the symbol of frog. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy the token, make sure to check the risk account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 16 hours ago and increased by 7,000 to 6,000% in less than 4 hours. This token turned in number 6 in the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. Now can open your Biscuit wallet for us. Now go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this out token. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called frog. Now after you find it, what you need to do, now click on it and you click on swap, as you can see. Now switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see here. Now after that you can click on swap here and you will be able to buy the token on your wallet. So this is how to buy frog token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.